able to get to the store this week, but I wanted to show you some deals online here. So the Palm Olive is on sale for $2.49. It was originally $4.99. Now there is an Ibotta rebate. Some accounts have one rebate for $1, and another account that I have access to has up to 5 rebates for $1.50. So if you have the 5 rebates for $1.50, you can grab 5 bottles and only pay $1.99 each. But if you have the $1 rebate, just grab 1 bottle and pay $2.49. Next, I'll give you an idea on the buy 3 and get a $10 gift card. Here are 3 items you can purchase. Now, the first item I would get is the Downy Mega Pack Calm fabric softeners for the dryer. It goes for $9.99, and there's a $2 digital coupon that you can clip right there in the app, and it brings it down to $7.99. There's 130 sheets in this mega pack. The next item I would get are the Dref Pods. They are $12.99. There's a $2 digital coupon within the app right there. You just click that green checkbox and you'll get this for $10.99. Now these are not just for kids. The whole family can use them, and they have great ingredients, which makes it very good for kids. So it's great for the whole family. And this comes with 25 packs. And the final item would be this Downy Ultra Soft Liquid Fabric Softener for $9.99. Now it has a separate $2 digital coupon that you can clip within the app, bringing it down to $7.99. And this has a lot in it. It's up to 83 loads. So if you got all 3 items after digital coupons, you'd pay $26.97. Then you'd get your $10 Target gift card back, leaving it to be $16.97 for all 3. Now I'll show you a few quick deals. This one happens to be tied to the spend 30, get a $5 gift card, if you want to add this into that promotion. But the Gold Bond Healing Hydrating Cream is $6.39. There's a $1.50 digital, bringing it down to $4.89. Next up is the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes. They're $4.99, and there's a $2 digital coupon within the app, bringing it down to $2.99. Whenever I can grab these on sale, I do. They're excellent for taking the makeup off at the end of the day, or even just cleansing your face at the end of the day or throughout the day. So great find when you can get a coupon on these and get them for less. Now next up is the Neutrogena Alcohol-Free Facial Toner. It's an 8 fluid ounce bottle. It's $7.29. There's a $3 Target Circle digital coupon you can clip, bringing it down to $4.29. This is a great addition to your makeup takeoff routine at night. And if you're in need of toothpaste, this Crest 3D White Stain Eraser, 3.8 ounces, $3.99. There's a $2 digital coupon applying. Just clip that the green checkbox, and that'll apply at checkout, bringing it down to $1.99. So the Progresso soup is on sale. Buy 4 for $8, and then there's a $1 back on Ibotta when you buy 3. So you can get 4 of these for $8, submit your receipt to Ibotta, get that $1 back, and that makes 4 cans of these for $7 in total. And that is better than Walmart prices. And next up, these Chili Lime grain-free puff snacks are $4.39. There's a $2.50 Ibotta rebate, and you can do that rebate up to 3 times, and it brings it down to $1.89 after the Ibotta rebate. So definitely a price for you to at least try these. I know the brand is really good. So King Arthur has a pull-apart bread making kit. It's $5.99. If you get 2 of those, that's $11.98. Ibotta is going to give you back $6.99 for buying 2. That's $4.99 each, $4.99 total, or $2.50 each. And that's a great deal for a fresh loaf of garlic bread at home for dinner. The Stouffer's family size meals that feed a family of 5 are normally $10.49. They're on sale this week, buy 2 for $16. There's a $2 Ibotta rebate back on each, and you can redeem that rebate up to 3 times. So if you buy 2 of these for $16, you get $4 back on Ibotta. That leaves them to cost $12 or $6 each. It's a little over $1 a serving. Good price for a quick dinner. And if you're looking for a non-alcoholic alternative drink, they have this 6-pack of Hop Splash. It's $9.99. There's a $3 Ibotta rebate, and you can redeem that rebate up to 3 times. This has 0 calories, 0 alcohol, 0 carbs, and 0 sugar. So it's a nice alternative. Thank you for watching my video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can get more savings ideas. Have a great day. Thank you.